So guys, these days I'm in a cafe-ism state of mind, and while I was sitting here with this beautiful Continental GT 650, a cafe racer, just got me wondering. मैंने सोचा यार कि इस वक्त अगर हम बात करते हैं मोटरसाइकिल स्पेस के अंदर, मोटरसाइकिल इंडस्ट्री के अंदर, आई बिलीव दिस इज द ओनली वन, एक फैक्ट्री कस्टम कैफे रेसर जो आपको एक मैन्युफैक्चरर दे रहा है, स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम अ मैन्युफैक्चरर, नॉट मॉडिफाइड, नॉट एनीथिंग. जस्ट हेयर मी ऑन दिस. Triumph is not making a Thruxton anymore. BMW is not making a R9T racer. Then Ducati, the Scrambler, the sort of cafe racer that they make, I don't feel it's that sort of a very genuine cafe racer. And there was a Moto Guzzi that used to be made. They're still making a stone course sort of thing, but it hasn't gone clip-on handlebars. And a bike without clip-on handlebars is not a cafe racer for me. So just got me wondering. This just might be the only cafe racer that's available in the market that you can buy straight from a company, straight from the factory. And this is a lone wolf now. So, guys, and the other, if you talk about the other sort of bikes that are in this space, they're not really real cafe racers for me. What do I mean by real cafe racers? What I mean is, of course, all the bikes today are modern classics. थोड़ा सा मॉडर्न है बाइक्स में, थोड़ा सा क्लासिक है, दोनों एलिमेंट्स हैं. बट जो एक जेन्युइन कैफे रेसर की अगर हम आज की डेट में बात करते हैं, बिकॉज कॉन्सेप्ट तो चलो बहुत पुराना है, 1950s का कॉन्सेप्ट है, बट इट हैज टू मर्ज द बोथ वर्ड्स, अ मॉडर्न एंड अ क्लासिक. जो दूसरी भी बाइक्स आज की डेट में आ रही हैं, लाइक ट्रायम्फ एक स्पीड ट्रिपल आर आर बनाता है जिसके आगे एक बिकिनी फेयरिंग है. देन एमवी अगस्टा मेक्स अ सुपर वेलोचे, एक ओल्ड स्कूल सॉर्ट ऑफ विंटेज जो उसको एक उन्होंने लुक दी है. देन नॉर्टन मेक्स अ कैफे रेसर, एंड बट दोज बाइक्स आर, they are dressed up as vintage racers. End of the day, they are just modern super bikes which are dressed up like old vintage cafe racers. So to me, they are not really genuine cafe racers. This, I believe, has got the right combination of everything: the right engine, the right chassis, the right look, and the right background in terms of the company that makes this Royal Enfield Continental GT. And I mean, I would love to hear from you guys. What has happened in the past 5 to 6 years that nobody's interested in making cafe racers anymore? Triumph, which used to be, I mean, making the Thruxton, which was called the king of cafe racers at that time, has discontinued the Thruxton. And but ironically, Royal Enfield, on the other hand, is doing so good with the Continental GT. Recently, the sales have picked up, and well, I believe they've got the mix right. They've got the mix of the engine, the chassis, the looks right, that people are buying it more than ever. The bike was launched in 2018, but it didn't sell very well at that time. So uh, it's a weird thing, guys, because the cafe racer craze started back in 2010, and I think it's fading away now. It's gone, but this little thing, this 650, is still going strong. It's stronger than ever. And what do you think, guys? I would love to hear from you in the comment section. कि आपको लगता है कैफे रेसर क्रेज फिर से वापस आएगा? Well, to me personally, it should come back. It never was gone, and it will be here. It is here to stay for me. But let's see if the other manufacturers and the other buyers agree with me on that or not. So, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll be coming up with interesting videos on this very bike and the concept of cafe racing very soon. And thanks for watching, and do subscribe and comment on the video.